Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. Finally, Meta has published their new version of Llama and it is Llama 4. But I literally got frustrated with this model, guys. Previously, I thought that I will not record video on this Llama 4, but later I thought that I should share my experience with you guys about this Llama 4. And here you see that they have published three versions of Llama 4. One is Scout version, another one is this Maverik, and another one is this Behemoth. Okay, and all of these model have a large context length, and this Scout model has a context length of 10 million. This Maverick has a context length of 1 million, and I don't know what is the context length of Behemoth because they have not written here. But the thing is that you cannot try this model in your normal computer because this requires a lot of space. But there are many online websites where you can try this, this Cloud is there, and after that this Together is there. But the thing is that should you try this model or should you use this model? Because if I show you that in this Cloud, here you see that I have chosen this Llama 4 Scout. Okay, and here in this together.ai I have chosen this Llama 4 Maverick, right? So if I go to their blog post and if I scroll down below, what they have written, you see they have written that Llama 4 Scout deliver better results than Gemma 3, Gemini 2.0 Flashlight and Mistral 3.1, right? So now I will show you that is it actually beating that models or not. So I will first try with this Llama 4 Scout, and I will go to this cloud. Here you see Llama 4 Scout is selected. Now here I will ask it one simple question. So I will ask it one simple question, that how many R's are in the word raspberry. You see that in this raspberry word there is a 3 R. One is first R, and after that there is a 2 R. Right? Total 3 R is there. Now if I press enter, what they have written? The answer is that there are 2 R's in the word raspberry. Means why, man? This Llama 4 Scout B is giving answer that there are 2 R's in the words raspberry, and what they have told us that it deliver better results than Gemma 3 and Gemini 2.0 Flashlight. Now if I go to this Gemini 2.0 Flashlight, okay, Gemini 2.0 Flashlight, here you see that here I have selected this model, Gemini 2.0 Flashlight, right? Now I will ask the same question here also. How many R's in the word raspberry? Now if I press enter, here you see that it is simply telling that there are 3 R's in the word raspberry. Then in which angle? In which angle it is beating this this Gemini 2.0 Flashlight, man? It cannot give the answer to a simple question. Means I want to know that based on which question answer set they have given, or they have set this benchmarks that it is beating Gemini 2.0 Flashlight. Also, let me show you one another interesting thing. Here you see that Llama 4 Maverick, a 17 billion active parameter, they are telling that it is also beating GPT-4o and Gemini 2.0 Flash. Okay, now I will also test the same question with this model also. So Llama 4 Maverick, right? Here also they have mentioned that Llama 4 Maverick is a 1 million context length, and it has a 128 experts. Means all of this model that they have published, like this Scout or this Maverick or this Behemoth, all of these are mixture of experts model. So if I scroll down below, you see they have also given one diagram that mixture of experts. Means if you ask any question, like if you ask any image related question, then it will go to that image expert model. Now if you ask any video related question, then it will go to that video related expert. Now if you ask any reasoning based question, then it will also go to that reasoning expert model. Okay, but you see that there is 128 experts, but I don't know that in which expert they are sending this question, this how many R's are in the word raspberry. Now let me show you this the testing with this LLAMA-4 Maverik model. Okay, so if I go to this LLAMA-4 Maverik, here you see that in this together.ai I have selected this LLAMA-4 Maverik. Okay, now I will also ask the same question here. Now press enter. See here, how many R's are in the word raspberry? They are saying that there are 2 R in the word raspberry. Means it is not a reasoning model anymore, right? If it is not a reasoning model, then why should I go with this model for generating the coding also, right? That is a big question. And also I will show you my coding experience with this model. So here you see that okay, before going to the coding question, let me also show you some of the evidences that I am not the only person that who is telling that this model is not good. I have found over the internet that many people are telling the same thing. Here you see that this person, like this page I have found over the Twitter, Machine Learning Street Talk, they are also telling that playing with Llama 4 models not great for coding at least. Okay, so they are also telling that not great for coding at least. Getting generic and templated responses with no specificity at all. The crazy uplift we get with the reasoning models is a take-home message. Looking forward to see their reasoning version soon. Okay, so here you see that he has tried the same prompt with this O1 Pro, Gemini 2.5 Pro, and this LLAMA-4 and this LLAMA-4 Maverik, LLAMA-4 Scout, and GPT-4o. You see that Gemini 2.5 Pro has given a lot of answer, or it has written a lot of codings related things here, but this LLAMA-4 Maverik, but this LLAMA-4 Scout, it has not written anything to that. Okay, then how it is beating this Gemini, right? Means this model cannot be used for the coding. Now if I show you another thing, here you see that how did this LLAMA-4 score so high on LMCs? I'm still buckling up to understand QKV. So actually this post is actually very funny. You see that this person asked this question, that explain QKV in attention for transformer. Okay, and on the left hand side you see that he has chosen this Claude 3.7 Sonnet, and here they have chosen this LLAMA-4 Maverik. Okay, so you see that this Claude 3.7 Sonnet has given the correct answer for this question, but this LLAMA-4 Maverik, it has not given the answer. Okay, it has not given the actual answer he is asking. He is asking that explain QBK in the attention for transformer, but this LLAMA-4 Maverik has written the definition of QKV. Here you see that QKV definition it has written, but it has not mentioned anything about regarding the role of QKV for transformer. Okay, I don't know why this model they have published, but I am not going to try this model anymore. By the way, let me show you my experience with this coding with this model for the coding purpose. Okay, you remember that yesterday I published a video on this Quasar Alpha with the client. Now there I designed a course dashboard. Let me show you that image. Here you see that this is the image. There I made this kind of website with this Quasar Alpha model that is newly published, stealth model, and you see that UI is amazing, right? UI is very amazing, but with the same prompt I will test this model also. Here you see that I have gone to this client, and I have used this Openrouter. By the way, you can use this model through Openrouter also. Here you see that in Openrouter they have also published this LLAMA-4 Maverik, and here also you will find this LLAMA-4 Scout. You can use that. I have chosen this LLAMA-4 Maverik because it has more this 128 experts, okay, more experts, so that's why I have chosen this Maverik. Okay, now I will keep this same prompt. Here you see that for this plan I have selected this Maverik, and for this act also I have selected this Maverik, right? Now I will give this same prompt. Those who have watched my previous this Quasar Alpha video, here you see this Quasar Alpha video, they will understand, or they will link that video to this also. Okay, they will be able to link. Now I will go for this plan, and now I will press the enter. Here you see that my task got completed. Now I will show you the result that I have got. So now if I go to this port, here you see that course dashboard and course overview, lesson progress, quizzes and assessment, discussion forum, instruction feedback, and last they have given this submit button. Okay, now if you compare this layout with this layout, let me show you. This is the layout that is generated by this LLAMA-4 Maverik, and this is the layout that is generated by this Quasar Alpha that I made the video yesterday. Now you tell me guys, which UI is best? Of course, at least for me, this UI that is generated by Quasar Alpha is the best, because you see that there is a styling, the background, the header section, and there is a progress bar. For the progress bar there is a green color styling, and these lesson sections, like for this lesson section also there is a review lesson and this start lesson. All of these buttons were there. Okay, this status, progress, completed. Now I generated this web page or this layout with the Quasar Alpha with a single prompt, and here you see that with a single prompt I generated this kind of UI with the LLAMA-4 Maverik. Then why will I use this model for the coding purpose? Then I also don't know how it is beating this Google Gemini 2.0 flashlight, because with this Gemini 2.0 flashlight also, when I experimented, I generated a cool modern UI with this client, but here I have not been able to do this. And also this person here you see that she also asking the same question that oh, did they release an LMC's tailor model to LMCs? That would be clever. Means how they got this Python. Here you see that it is scoring 1417 arena score on these LMCs. Means a model that cannot give the answer to a simple question that how many are in the Raspberry, then how this model can get this rank or this scoring that 1417. I don't know, man. And please try this model. Okay, one another interesting thing is that here you see that LM-Arena.ai means the LMCs. They are writing that number one open model suppressing DeepSeek. Okay, they are telling that suppressing DeepSeek. And okay, so one thing I will do, I will ask this simple question to DeepSeek also. That is, how many R's in the word Raspberry? So I will use the DeepSeek new version 3.1. Now if I press enter, all right, okay, understanding the problem, yes. We all know that DeepSeek generally takes time to give the answer, but that doesn't matter if I get the correct answer, right? So here you see I have counted 3 R's so far, so that means DeepSeek also giving the correct answer, total of 3. So that means DeepSeek also is giving the correct answer, right? But this model, this LLAMA-4 cannot give the correct answer. Then I don't know how they are writing that this LLAMA-4 is suppressing the DeepSeek. Maybe maybe this model, this llama 4 behemoth, but this model is currently not available. So if I go to their download page also, they are showing that you can download this model on this, from this website, sorry, from this page. Here you see that only Scout and Maverik is available, but this behemoth model is not available till now. Maybe that model can beat this other model, but I don't know why they have written that these two model also can beat the Gemini models. By the way, you also please try this model and let me know your thought. Uh, and also and as I have not got the correct answer for this simple question, that's why I have not tested this model with the other set of questions that I have. So you see that I have this set of questions, and these are really hard reasoning questions. And if this video was helpful to you guys, please don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and please let me know your thought. You also please try this model on your own and let me know guys. All the links that is given in the description box, you can check there. Like if you go to this Grok Cloud, there you will find this llama 4 Scout, and if you go to this together.ai, there you will find this llama 4 Maverik. Okay, so please try it and let me know your thought.